Hello everyone, my name is Asia Ali, and today I'm going to show you all how to install DHCP. So we'll go over to Server Manager, Rules, then we go over to Add Rules, then we'll click Next, then we'll click on DHCP Server, then we'll click Next, and click Next, and this shows the server's IP address. So you click Next again, you'll press Validate, then we'll press Next. It just says that Wins is not required for applications on this network. So you'll click Next. You can skip this part, you click Next. And we will disable DHCP version 6 and click Next. We will leave it as the default option, use current credentials and click Next. And now we'll click Install. So now that the DHCP rule has been added, we'll now go over to Start, Administrative Tools, DHCP. And we go over to the domain. We go on to IPv4. We will right click and then we will add a new scope. So here the new scope wizard has popped up and we click Next. Now we have to name the scope. I'll just name it User Scope. And click Next. So now we have to give a range of IP addresses for the scope. So I'll just start at 192.168.0.1 and I will end at 192.168.0.100. And then we will click Next. So now we want to add IP address range that we do not want to be distributed. So I'll start my 192.168.0.1 and I will end at 192.168.0.10. Now I'll click Add, then I'll click Next. Here we have the least duration, so I'll just leave mine for 8 days and I'll click Next. So now we're being asked if we want to configure the DHCP options now, and I'll leave it at yes and I'll click Next. Now we are being asked for the default gateway. I don't have a router, so I'll just leave that blank and click Next. So now we're being asked for the domain name, and we could just skip this. We do not have to use Wins as of now, so I'll skip this as well. And now we're being asked if we want to activate the scope, and I'll click Next, and then I'll click Finish. So now we'll go over to our client machine, and we go over to Network and Sharing Center. And here we'll go into Change Adapter Settings. And we'll right click and go into Properties. Next we go into IPv4. And we'll change from the static IP to obtain an IP address automatically. And we'll also choose Obtain DNS Server Address automatically and click OK. So now we will right click and go on to Status. We'll click Details. So we can see that it is identifying an IP address. So now we'll right click and go on status and we'll click details. And we can see that DHCP is enabled. And now our new IP address is 192.168.0.11. And we can also see the lease expiry date. So we see that enabling the DHCP has been successful, and I hope this tutorial helps.